Find out everything about the software development pricing models available today and how to choose the right one for your next project. Software development outsourcing has become a lifesaver for companies that need to build software products, but do not have enough in-house resources. There are many choices you need to make before a project starts, from the functional requirements of the solution to the target markets. However, one of the most important choices is the choice of a software development pricing model. The right pricing model helps you make sure that the project will be completed on time, within budget, and will follow the agreed-upon points. There are three main software pricing models used today: fixed cost, time and material, and dedicated team. Now let's take a closer look at each of the popular pricing models. Model number 1 is fixed cost. It's commonly used for small projects with standard requirements, projects with time and budget constraints, and startups. The biggest advantages of the fixed cost model include predictable budget and deadlines, low risk of failure, and low level of control required from the client. The drawbacks of the fixed cost model include delayed start due to the many calculations and preparations that need to be made, little to no flexibility after the start of the project, and challenges in communication. The next model is time and material. It is mainly used for projects that need to explore an original product idea, projects where the target market is unclear, and projects where the stakeholders want maximum control. The advantages of the time and material model include a fast and easy start, high level of flexibility, and monthly or bi-weekly payments instead of paying a lump sum. The drawbacks of this model include open deadlines, little control over the budget, and significant involvement needed from the client. The third model is dedicated team. It is typically used for projects with changing requirements, as well as strengthening the in-house team and gaining full control over project development. The advantages of this model include access to rare talent that is hard or expensive to hire locally, effective communication with the team, and the ability to quickly pivot the project. The drawbacks of dedicated teams include high costs compared to other models, the need to pay for the downtime in case there are no tasks for the team, and significant time and resources needed for effective management. Now, let's talk about how to choose the right pricing model for your next software development project. Step 1. Review the requirements of your project, mainly the scope and the size. Step 2. Consider the level of flexibility your project needs and whether the requirements can change. Step 3. Think about the deadline, as short-term and long-term projects thrive under different pricing models. Step 4. Plan the project budget and decide whether it should be fixed or flexible. Step 5. Consider the amount of control you want and whether you have the necessary resources. A reliable software development partner will not only help you pick the right pricing model, but also make sure your project goes exactly as planned.